The crypto markets are crashing. Here's your update for February 28th. You don't want to miss this. Bitcoin broke below its support line at 88K, and I've said this many times before. If this line gets broken, there is nothing between 88K and 72K, so I think we're going to revisit that level. And as of the filming of this video, Bitcoin is currently at 79,000. The fear and greed index is showing 16, and yesterday it was at 10. It literally has not been this low since the FTX crash in July 2022, which tells me it's probably worth setting limit spot buy orders between here and 72K, and whatever you do, just avoid leverage because that's how we got into this mess. I've had too many friends lose everything this cycle because they got too greedy and tried to trade leverage. So I think there are two main reasons for this recent crash. First of all, I get the feeling that this was partially manufactured by major players to recoup the losses from the Bybit hack. That 1.4 billion they lost to North Korea represented 8.5% of their total assets that they held, which was followed by a bank run of users withdrawing their assets. So they had to borrow up to 400,000 ETH just to remain solvent. With this massive price volatility, there's been billions of dollars worth of liquidations, and when that happens, it means the exchanges are making money. Also, with lower prices, Bybit can repurchase the ETH that they borrowed. If a major exchange like Bybit were to go bankrupt, there would be financial contagion, so it's in all these exchanges' best interest to see Bybit regain their financial health. The second reason for this pullback is that it seems like Trump has been hell-bent on crashing the markets. He recently doubled down on imposing tariffs on both Mexico and Canada, and is now saying 20% on China as well. As a result, the S&P has now had 6 red days in a row. Looking forward, I still believe the crypto bull run is intact, which is increasingly an unpopular opinion. I also think it's going to be a while. Spring and early summer are usually quiet months for crypto. I would compare this crash to May 2021. The sentiment feels pretty similar, where a lot of people are saying the cycle is over. I think we're in for a bit of chop where price will consolidate in the 70 to 80 range before heading back to all-time highs by the end of the year. No one really knows how this is going to play out, but that's what my gut feeling is telling me. Hit follow for more updates. Peace.